Does this remind you of something? I know. The Foot Clan. Similarities? Who is the Foot Clan, you say? You know who. They are the bad guys in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They even put up posters in places. Says Foot Clan. See New York? Fight turtles. Oh, they're bad guys. They do ninjutsu. And led by Shredder, who is the enemy of Splinter, the master of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The Foot Clan was a takeoff of the Hand from Daredevil from Marvel. Do you want to find out what's inside this cool Play-Doh surprise egg? Foot Clan, you've been bad. That's a chop. Foot Clan, you've been attacking the turtles. That's a chop. Foot Clan, you've been stealing. That's a chop. Foot Clan, you've been hacking computers. That's a chop. Foot Clan, you are terrorists. That's a chop. All gone. No more Foot Clan. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles collector keyring. Blind bag. Will we get the Foot Clan? Will we get April O'Neil, one of the turtles, or a surprise? Raphael's ready to do battle. Oh, yeah, Raphael. Where's your buddies? Look, there's a little rat, like Splinter. But Splinter's not the bad guy of the Foot Clan. Oh, they're trying to take out Raphael, but they didn't succeed. He stood strong. Oh, there's a Ninjago. This hat here is very similar to what Shredder wears and is the symbol, except in red, of the Foot Clan. Well, the other symbol besides the foot. Splinter. He is their ninjutsu master. Splinter. We made a Splinter. We made a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Play-Doh surprise egg. So cool. Ninja. A cute little teeny weeny ninja toy. What's all this? Oh, we have Shopkins. Do you think the Foot Clan wears stilettos? I don't think so. I don't think they could run very fast in those or be very sneaky. Betty Boot. Weird little Betty Boot. Suzanne. Oh, yep, that's it. They must wear bunny slippers. No, they don't wear bunny slippers. Feet for the Foot Clan. It's Krang, one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle villains. Krang is actually that guy. This is a large, powerful, mechanical body. He can grow huge, big as Godzilla. His hands can shapeshift. He can change out his arms for different arms with different shapes that can do different things like jet wings. Krang has also showed signs of having psychic powers. Bad guy. Don't mess with the turtles. As they used to say in the old Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon, Cowabunga.